The favorite food of Basque Country are the pinchos. In the Basque Country we have a lot of fish, and one food made with fish is the squid. Also in the Basque Country we have a very simple food called tortilla patata. Also in the Basque Country we have one delicious food with potatoes, meat and fish called manitaco.
Created using Powtoon.